What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, this week was a pretty interesting week. I ain't gonna fold you guys. Hold on. Let me fix this up so y'all can see it clearly. So we went 3-0 this week. We did pretty good on the funded account. So we'll start off with this one over here. Coming into a demand. 5-minute demand. Even 15-minute demand. And just waited for it to close above the 200 and the 13 EMA, and from that point got in, and it was history from that. It was a good day. I had to close out up here because I couldn't exceed the 50% rule. So that's day one. That was on, I believe, Tuesday. And then where's day two? Day two on the challenge, we hit a supply trade on gold and rejecting off of the 200 on top of that. So it was a double confirmation for me. Then we closed under the EMAs with this engulfing candle. So I just took a break of the candle on the 5-minute. On the 15-minute, it won't show it, but on the 5-minute, I took a break of the candle right there. And from that point on, it was a little choppy and it rejected, but then it rejected the EMA. So it was looking good. And one candle did the work. Past that day, now to day three. So on gold, I took this trade right here. This is my entry. So let me short it right there so y'all don't get confused. So I don't know what happened, but some news was going on today. Out of nowhere, NAS was dropping, S&P, US 30, gold, damn near the most pairs traded were dropping today for some reason at some point in the morning. And so I waited for it to give us the reversal to then continue that sell off. So after the news released and it started reversing, I wait for it to tap the supply, and it gave us a gap right here. You see this gap, didn't close within that gap either, rejected the zone, all that stuff. So I took the break of the candle right here. Well, not break of the candle, but I got in a little aggressive today, if I'm being honest. I got in on the rejection because I was firm that gold was finna drop and continue the sell off. That is what it was doing. So then this candle did all the work, closed under the EMAs. Beautiful continuation, and just straight to TP. Like the way gold was coming today, like it felt like it was gonna take me on a second, but ended up playing out pretty good. I don't even know why I say it was a tough trade. It wasn't really that bad. I think the other ones were a little more tough than this one, now that I think about it. But now let's go to accounts. So today, where is it? You can see all my trades right here, what I took, what the losses were in total, what I made in profit. Then the second one right here. And let's scroll up a little bit. What's this? Oops. These are just more trades, trading days. Oh, winning trade, 33%, 33%. Let me see. Let's go up a little bit more. So it says my trading consistency, or my consistency, is 70%. I will put that my strategy is more like 60%-ish. Depending on the trader too. It really all depends. But at least with me, 60%, 65 maybe. Some good months. And as you can see, activate express account. I was trying to activate it. It says account pass. Yeah, I already see it. Nothing new. It's nothing crazy because the real part is getting that payout. That is the serious part. I was trying to activate the account, but it's not letting me. So I'm contacting support, seeing what I can do. But as of right now, the account is passed, but it's just not letting me activate it and get on the account. So we'll see if I can fix that problem. And if it doesn't get fixed, Hey, man. I don't know about prop firms at that point. Might just take my ass back to the live. But I ain't stressing it. We'll see what happens, though. And we're going to be back at it next week. New week, new battle, but nothing new. We just rinse and repeat and just continue.